Hey guys, it's your girl Sion Charles and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you are already a subscriber, welcome back. So as you can see in the title, I'm just gonna do like a little Fenty unboxing. I also have a few other products, hair and makeup products that I want to share with you guys that I recently got, as well as tell you guys where I've been. So let's jump into the unboxing. Here is my packaging. I haven't opened anything because I want to open it in front of you guys. So let's begin with some of the new products that she came out with. So of course I got the new Cheeks Out, line, and this one is the bronzer. Let's see, I'm gonna open it up for you guys. There's that one. So that's Teddy. Alright, and then here's the Cheeks Out blush, and I got the color Summer Wine. I like purple blushes. That's super in right now, and I think it's super cute. It'll be really cute on my skin tone, so I'm super excited. And this is what it looks like. And I think that these cream products would be so good with what I'm doing to my face right now. I also got a eyeshadow palette. So the reason why I got everything was because I actually want to do a all Fenty face for you guys. And it's just one of her mini eyeshadow palettes, and it's the deep neutrals. I'm not going to swatch any of these colors right now because I am going to do a whole video on a look, so we'll just wait for that. So the next thing that I got was the Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation. I've had the matte one and I love the matte one, but I want to try the hydration foundation because it is summertime and I just like that dewy look during summertime. So this is what it looks like, and I just got the same shade I would normally get in the matte, and I can't even open it. I feel like I'm gonna bust it open. Oh, ha ha ha, you just pulled it off. Alright, so if you guys have been wondering where I've been, I did go on a little vacation. I went to Houston to go visit my grandma, and I also went to Georgia to go visit a really close family friend, and they're more like family more than friends, so of course we had to go see them. And so yeah, also I was gonna record more videos, but my ring light broke, and I recorded videos without the ring light and I posted them. I just needed the ring light, especially because I want to make nail videos and I need a ring light to make the nail videos. So I had to order a new ring light. So I asked my brother and my mom to get me equipment so that way I can make videos for my birthday gift. And so my brother got me a whole studio light setup, and my mom got me a ring light. So I'm so thankful. Thank you, Mom and my brother Jer. You guys are the best. Yeah. Let's see what else I have. I have the volume mascara. I just got the mini one. Especially when I'm testing out mascaras, I like to try the mini ones out first, unless, you know, I do get sent a full-size product, then I'm not complaining. But I just got the mini one. Fat and skinny. Also, I haven't been making any makeup videos because I had a sty on my eye and it's still kind of healing. I will make a whole video on how to take care of a sty and how to get rid of one as well, because I feel like a lot of people suffer from styes and it's quite common, more common than some people think. I also got her liquid liner and the eye primer, and it was like a little set. So let me show you guys that. The eyeliner, and then her primer, her eye primer. It's just a little mini one, which I don't mind because my eyes get kind of sensitive and I don't want to have a full-size product and it not work out on my eyes, and then I just have to throw it away. So I'm just gonna swatch that on the back of my hand. And they're both minis. I bought mini products. Like I said, I want to try them out before I get the whole full-size product. The eye primer is so soft. Like literally everything that she makes is like super blendable, and it just kind of like dissolves into your skin, and I love that. Let's see, what else did I get in this box? Okay, this one, the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. And this is what it looks like. And I'll just do a little swatch on the back of my hand for y'all. That looks so pretty. And sorry if you guys catch me squinting. I don't have my contacts in. And I'm blind. So, you know, bear with me here. I also got her eyebrow pencil. It's the ultra fine pencil and styler. And like I said, I want to do a whole face with Fenty products. So, and I believe I got the color dark brown. Yep, it's dark brown. I got setting powder, and I got it in the shade Honey. I'm really excited about this one, honestly. The only thing I forgot to get from Fenty was a highlighter, and I don't know how I forgot about that, but I will go and get one. I got the setting spray because, you know, makeup isn't done until you set it. So I have a little bit of stuff in my face. I'm just gonna oh, it smells good. It smells so good. It pretty much mists out. It will mist out. There are like little pieces of the setting of the spray kind of like coming at me, but for the most part it does mist out. So, and it's gonna be her Make It Dewy setting spray. And like I said, it's the summertime. I like the dewy look on my skin. I can handle the dewy look on my skin. I'm not too oily, so that's why I got it. And in the wintertime, if I want to do a dewy look with the matte foundation, I can always just put this on top. And last but not least, from my little Fenty box, I got 3 lipsticks, or not lipsticks, lip glosses. And they were in a bundle deal. And so I got Diamond Milk, Fenty Glow, and Fussy. And I'm just gonna open them and swatch them for you guys. I'm really excited about the Fenty glosses because I've been really into glosses lately, and I know Fenty, Rihanna got some really nice glosses. Okay, so we have Fussy, Diamond Milk, and Fenty Glow at the top. And they're all so cute, so shimmery, very glossy. Everything that I want. Alright, so that was my little Fenty haul for you guys. And now I want to show you what else I got. Just been shopping a little bit, just a little bit. And so first, if I could find it. So I'm gonna stick with the makeup stuff first. And first I got the Pelosi base, eyeshadow base. And I got them in the shade 5 and 0. 0 is white, so I'll show you guys. So I got the shade 0. And I'm really gonna be doing a fun look with this one. And then I also got the shade 5, which is basically like my skin tone. So yeah. And I'm also trying to switch up my skincare routine and just like be persistent and consistent about my my skincare routine. So I did go out, and I like the e.l.f. products, the e.l.f. skin line. So I've already had their eye patches. I've tried their was it, their moisturizer. I tried a face wash, and now I'm trying a nourishing night cream. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's my night cream. I also got a collagen infused anti-aging serum. It's 24 karat gold, and it's by, all right, it's a 24 karat gold collagen infused anti-aging serum, and it's by Spa Life. And I just started this. My sister has a 24 karat gold serum as well, and I've used it before and I like it. I also have another serum that I put on my face every other day, so I kind of switch on and off between these two. I also have a night serum, but I got that from one of my BoxyCharms, so that's not in this video. These are, by the way, these are products, all of these products that I'm showing you guys today, I bought them with my own money, so no way is anyone sponsoring me. I wish Fenty was, you know, I wouldn't mind being on that PR list at all. But I bought them all myself. For hair products, I wanted to show you guys these two hair products. I just tried them out when I was in Georgia, and I had to buy myself my own. And it's from the line Milani. And I got the pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. It smells so good. Literally every time I put it in, my bird goes crazy because he wants to jump down and like eat my hair because it smells so good. And then I also got the twisting souffle. This is why I bought this line, because I had tried one of their little packets, and it was the twisting souffle, and I put it in my hair, and my friend did 3-strand twist on my hair, and I had it in the 3-strand twist for about, I want to say 2 days, and then I took it out. Yeah, about 2 days, and then I took them out. And when I took them out, my hair was just super moisturized, and it felt really good. I mean, I was in Houston at the time, by the time I took my hair out. And so if you guys don't know, Houston is hot and humid, and your hair just doesn't stay how it's supposed to stay when it's humid. So I actually just kind of like untwisted it, undid some of the twists with my fingers and separated them, and then I just kind of left it how it was. I let it down, and throughout the day, or throughout the night I should say, I just kind of like fluffed it a little bit, and it came out really nice. I don't know if I have any pictures, but I'll see if I have any pictures of the twist. But I just wanted to say that these products are good. I am going to do a video of me twisting my hair with these products so you guys can see how they look. I'm actually considering getting the curling souffle to try out on my hair next. I did dye my hair, and I just want to keep it as healthy as possible. I mean, as you can see, the curls are still there. It's really, really nice. I do want to go a little bit lighter, but it's a working process. I don't want to damage my hair, so I'd rather do it in steps. So yeah, that's the end of my little haul unboxing. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I will be putting out some nail videos for you guys, and hair product, more hair videos. I will have that how to treat your sty video coming out soon as well, so stay tuned for those. All right, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.